যাও পাখি বলো হাওয়া চলো চলো আক ছায়া জানালার কাজ আমি কে আমাকে आवाज़ अच्छी ना हो पर गाना अच्छा लगता हो, सपने सच ना हो तो देखना अच्छा लगता हो, खुशी ना हो तो खुश रहना अच्छा लगता हो, इसलिए कभी कभार गाना गा लेना चाहिए ताकि खुशी भी मिलती रहे और हमारा गला भी साफ रहे। Whenever I enter through this gate, it reminds me of one thing, that is, earlier whenever I woke up, I thought that night should be short because I sleep a lot. और यही तो सबसे बड़ी दिक्कत थी। The more you sleep, the more you dream. ये तो होता ही है, मेरे साथ तो होता था। और ये भी नहीं कि मुझे रोज़ अलग अलग सपने आए, रोज़ एक ही टाइप का सपना आता था। It's like a same dream coming over and over years and you can't do anything for that. Hello,
Hello,
Riya.
Ria. Yeah, Shili. Actually, there is a kid around 7 years, and I was thinking कि वो orphan है, तो क्या मैं उसको तेरे पास ले आऊँ? हाँ, ले आओ, उसको कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।
मतलब whenever I see that dream, my body, heart, mind, everything become restless. हाँ, शिवली तो थी मेरे पास, पर वो भी कब तक साथ देती ना। I need to find out. I had a dream. An abandoned house, green lights groused, and my sleep roused. Something hidden between the azan and mosque, something was in between of camouflage of windows and its credence, something which was disclosed but seems to be closed in our presence. For me, entirely it was a mystery. If I found all the clues that delivers every day to my mind, it can lead to a victory of my future history. And whenever I move more closer to that clovers, I just got that spirit of green light and everything in closure is getting over.
क्या हुआ दीदी?
कुछ नहीं यार मोनी, मुझे फिर से वही सारे सपने आ रहे हैं।
दीदी शिवली का है आजकल, आप उसके साथ
I don't know, there was something, but there was something which I call peace. It was so satisfactory. It gives me self-satisfaction that even no one can think that dreams can give self-satisfaction.
दीदी
In the darkest of nights, what I see, I was just trying to bring it on the reality. My hands held high above, just to feel every inch of that cove. Until I find the path, that place which took me to the sense of restful nightmare. I just rover and rover till my mind get over. So I rover and rover, but I never found that calm closure anywhere to get rid of that dream. Shuli, Shuli with L-E-E and she with L-I. She was a flower. She was not a human, but more than a human for me. She was my personal healer. Yes. So she was there. She helped me a lot. She is the topic. She is the chapter. She is the edge of my wedge, the subsequent begin of my life. I'm very thankful to her. We were not different, even we are not same, but we were accompanying each other in different ways.
दीदी दीदी
हाँ आजा आजा
ये देखो शिवली आ गया। अब आपको सपना नहीं आएगा।
Her fragrance runs my all trips. She is the one with whom I stop my dreaming session and I work on my imagination. And now, whenever I see my discretion, it seems like सपना नहीं है शिवली, आंखें बंद मत कर, आंखें खोल। अब सब कुछ उस सपने जैसा ही हो गया था। Basically it wasn't, but emotionally it was. My father always told me that कि
खुशियाँ हवा की तरह होती हैं, दिखती नहीं पर होती हैं,
पर होती है,
कहीं छुपी हुई सी होती है, हमें बस फूंक मारना पड़ता है
और वो हमें
महसूस होने लगती है।
This place where I am, each and every particle here is made by me. I can't leave this place. I can't. He's my only companion. How should I? And I want my salvation too. Here only. It was November 4, 2009, which brought dreams into reality. Who told you that for living you have to see dream with open eyes? I don't think so. I think that to make it possible or to make it true, you should only have a dream. I have lived long with that dream enough, and I had tried hard to make it like what half away it showed me in darkness, to give it full brightness. So this was my hidden happiness. Even no one knows where the happiness lies. It can lies anywhere around the world. So it can lies in your dreams also. When Shivli meets Shivli, what happened? बहुत कुछ बदल गया पहले से। पहले मैंने उसको अपने साथ रखा और अब वो मेरा साथ ही नहीं छोड़ती कभी। आदत बना दी उसने मेरी तो, और आदत तो कभी नहीं छूटती।